श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखंडमंडलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्मसम्प्राप्तं कर्मबन्धविदायिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथः जगन्नाथो मद्गुरुश्री जगद्गुरुः ममात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानंदं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तस्यं अस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलं अचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं श्रीगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। भावातीतं श्रीगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थः प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अद्य उभयपदी धातूनां प्रयोगम् एकवारम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः इति चिन्तयामि। द्रष्टुं शक्यते वा?
आम् महोदय।
एकनिमिषम्। द्रष्टुं शक्यते वा? प्रथमं नी धातुः नयति इत्यस्ति किल? तस्य परस्मैपदरूपं सर्वे जानन्ति एव।
Mahoday, is it towards one side for everyone?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
for me
it
Yeah,
too.
you can't
is.
see completely.
Huh? Kim
Can you
abhavat?
scroll it to the right? Yeah,
Slide.
scroll it to the right, please.
Slide has gone to the right side.
Oh, evam va.
Yeah, scroll it to the right so that,
Let me
or
check.
maybe move it to the center.
I think there is some problem. Last class also, I had some problem with this. Now?
Yes.
Now it's fine.
Yeah. Samyak asti.
Okay.
सम्यक् महोदय एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति how to identify which dhatu is
That not to worry at this level. What you have to do is only know these dhatus. Whatever we are going to discuss today, these are the dhatus, ubhayapadi dhatus at this level. Not many are there.
So whatever we are going to learn today, we have to practice them only.
Yes, only 7 dhatus are there at this level.
Okay.
So don't worry too much about this thing. Okay.
Okay.
Lat lakara, I think you have a very good practice.
Yes.
So both parasmaipadi and atmanepadi.
Yeah. Yeah.
So ni dhatu. I don't think we need to discuss. Otherwise, you can frame sentences fast.
No, but these are clear. We can do it.
Okay.
I think everybody.
Pach dhatu.
Pach. Okay.
Yeah, we should be able to do this.
This also okay, no?
Yes. Yes.
Hr harati.
Hey.
What about this?
Yes, Mahoday.
It's,
Bharati.
yeah, as long as it's the same format, yeah.
Oh, Nirmal Mahodaya has sent a message. I think he's not well.
I thought I saw him on the in the class.
Agre dhav dhatu. एतदपि लट्लकारस्य रूपाणि जानन्ति किल परस्मैपदी आत्मनेपदी अग्रे क्री धातु क्रीणाति क्रीणीतः अस्य अभ्यासं कुर्मः वा?
No, Mahoday, these. I think I can make sentences from here.
Oh,
Anybody else? If
anybody else would like to practice this?
I think we can make the sentences.
Yes, yes.
Challenge is to remember
We
them.
can make the sentences, yes.
Yeah.
एवं वा?
Challenge is to remember them, memorize them.
That is your job. I cannot do it.
Creed. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
अग्रे गच्छामः वा?
Creed. Okay.
तदनन्तरं दा धातुः.
Da.
Next is lat lakarah. Then
Mahoday, ekah prashnah asti. For sarve pada, when do we use the dvivachanam and all? Because sarve means for everyone, right? Ekavajanam, dvivachanam. How is that applicable?
What?
I think I know what she's asking, Mahodaya. For in the Sarva Shabda, if correct me if I'm wrong, Rita Mahodaya, it is Sarvaha Sarvo Sarve The meaning of sarva is in the prathama vibhakti ekavachana, sarvaha means one entire tree. One entire tree. Sarvaha vrikshaha. Whereas if you go to the bahuvachana, sarve vrikshaha, that means it's a bunch of trees. Sarve is all. So in one case, it is one whole tree. In the other case, it is a bunch of trees. That's how I understood.
Sarve janaha sukhinah bhavantu. What does that mean?
That means everyone, right? But what is this, like when it comes to the singular form, ekavachana, it's still sarvaha, right?
Correct.
So, okay, is that like how Haraprasad Mahodaya has explained now? Okay.
It's the complete
Tree.
it's a complete one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Astu. Agre लोट् लकारं पश्यामः वा? लृट् लकारः अपि सम्यक् जानन्ति वा सर्वे? अस्तु. लोट् लकारस्य?
Yeah, we can do.
We can do Mahoday.
एवं वा? Then लङ् लकारः?
Yeah, we can do.
Then you don't need practice in this, huh?
I was worried by looking at the verb, all Kriya Padani in this Pravesha book. Shlaghate and Kampate. Somehow I remembered that Kampate is also Ubhayapadi. Kampati, Kampata, Kampati, or maybe I am wrong. That's why I got confused. Is this the Ubhayapadi? No, we don't have to worry about those things.
No, don't worry. Ubhayapadis, I have given the list now.
Okay.
You can have a look at the slides later and practice accordingly.
Mahoday, one more question, Mahoday. When there are certain questions written in the exercise here in Bhasha Pravesha book, and they ask to write answers from us. So one such question is Vyagraha Kaihi Sancharati. Means how, with the help of what he or how to take it. Means my answer, I wrote the answer Vyagraha Vyagraha Saha Sancharati. So is it wrong?
No.
Padaihi sancharati.
Sancharati means I thought he moves along with other Vyagras. Moves along with.
No. Padaihi will be the right answer there.
Means not Vyagrai. The Tritiya Bahushan will not come here.
How will it come?
Means along with others. Means with Sah. I use Saha. Vyagrai Saha.
You want to use Saha?
Yes. Means the answer came into my mind. Vyagra Kaihi Sancharati.
Kaihi ityukte, then no need to add Saha. Padaihi.
Padaihi. Okay. Means here the Sancharati is the key word. Why I made mistake? Because I took Sancharati as moving along. Whereas its meaning is, I think, walking. Sancharati.
Sancharati, how it moves with his legs.
Okay, moves.
अस्तु इदानीं विभक्तिवल्लर्यां किञ्चित् सन्देहः अस्ति वा?
महोदय एकं प्रश्नम् अस्ति.
एकः प्रश्नः
अस्मि. What is Gunita Aksharam?
Gunita Aksharam is this
Ka, ka, ki, ku, kai.
Huh?
Kaha, kaha, I mean,
And
kaha,
ka, ka, ki,
kaha,
ki,
ka,
ku,
kaka, kiki.
ku. Yeah, those are the
Yeah.
Gunita aksharas.
It is in page number.
I don't know how to say that in Sanskrit, but those are the Gunita aksharas.
It is.
Because in Pravesa book, it is Swaraksharam. Then another
which
is.
lesson, Mahoday? Which lesson?
But I did
Page
not
number
see
5.
Gunitaksharam.
Page number 5.
Page
Page
number
number
5.
5.
It says Gunitas, vowel signs Gunitas.
Oh, Gunitas. Yeah, it's all written. Because I never. Okay.
Vowel signs, Gunitas. Okay.
Because in one of the exam they ask, we have to choose from 3. And they give a Gunita Aksharam twice and Swaraksharam. So we can make it out that it is not a Swara. Group. They give a group. It's not a Swaraksharam. Then I can make it out that it is a Gunita Aksharam. But I say, I did not remember about this. But yeah, it is Gunita is written over there. So in one of the exam paper, they asked.
Means when Vyanjan joins with Swara, then it becomes Gunita.
No.
No.
Oh.
No.
Come again with the question, please.
Means when Vyanjana joins with Swara, then it becomes Gunitas, vowel signs. No, it's signs only.
It's just the signs.
Okay.
Yeah. It's kaka, kiki, kuku.
Right. Those are the Gunitas.
Yeah. Kru, kru, kla, ke, kai,
Okay.
o, kau, kam, kaha.
We call it Hindi matra.
Matra is one sound, like a 1 second.
No.
Matra.
Matra
Yeah.
in Hindi, we study like a, I, u. These are all matra. We put it in this Vyanjana.
That only, that is
becomes
Matra Kala. Ekamatra Kala, Dvimatra Kala, like that. There is division in Sanskrit.
In English it is vowel, Hindi it is matra. So a, I, u.
When somebody is at a distance where you have to shout and call them. So time you that is Dvimatra Kala, Trimatra Kala, it can be.
Okay.
Like that.
So when we read the Pravesha book, we get scared. Sanskrita Vangamaya is giving me tough time to remember.
Why, what is there in Vangmaya?
Means when Rupakas, there are certain Rupakas, I have never heard their name. So
yes, in English everything is drama. So
yeah,
here
it is Rupaka.
There are so many divisions.
Yeah, Mahakavyani are there. Then Rupaka, then Champu Kavyani. Means I don't know if you ask me how many Champu Kavyas are there, I won't be able to tell. And who wrote them is another tough level.
Your friends will tell.
No, I'm reading the book and trying to revise it again and again.
Again and again, I haven't even completed once. One place where I was a little confused was with the identify the odd words. Couple of places I was not really sure. Bhavanam, Bhavani, Bhavan, Bhajanam.
Bhavanam?
Bhavanam is a different one. Bhavanam is a different one. Bhavanam, Bhavani, Bhavan, Bhajanam. Which is the odd word?
You tell. Bhavanam is what?
Bhavanam is Napumsakalingam.
Then?
Bhavani is
Strilingam.
Strilingam. Bhavan is Pullingam. Bhajanam is Napumsakalingam. So, two
Bhavani tatra lot lakarasya.
Bhavani.
Yeah, correct. It is the Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. Yeah.
Bhavani is Uttama Purusha Ekavachana.
Check in lot lakara.
Still Bhavan is also there.
This is a Kriya Pada, no? Bhavani is a Kriya Pada. Others are Namapada.
Okay. So that, yeah, that's where we need to be sure.
Mahoday, I was
Bhavani as like Bhavati. You know.
Prasad Mahodaya?
Yeah, I was reading this. We were talking about matra, matra representing the time. There are ekamatra, dvi, and tri. And they said the time it takes, I cannot do this. When you do like this, in the using the thumb, that is like that. That is ekamatra. That is the time it takes. The time it takes to do this is one matra. And I forgot about this two matra, and the third three matra is called pluta. Pluta. And
Rasva Dirgha Pluta.
Hasra Dirgha Pluta. Correct. That's exactly what the book said. Yeah. So I was remembering about that when Rita Mahodaya was talking.
Astu kinchit vibhakti
I understood Bhavani as like Parvati.
Was it a Dirgha Matra? Bhavani?
Bhavani Dirgham asti Mahodaya.
Dirgham asti va?
Then it is very different.
Dirgham asti. Yeah, that's why I was. This is in 2018 January.
Okay, Bhavanam. Punurekavaram vadatu.
Bhavanam. Bhavani. Dirgham asti. Bhavan. And Bhajanam.
Oh.
Bhajanam will be the odd person.
2018 question paper.
I think 2018 January. I think 2018 January, Mahodaya.
Bhajanam is the odd person. Odd word is here.
Bhajanam will be the odd one. Yes.
Bhavanam Napunsakalinga, Bhavani Strilinga, Bhavan Pullinga. Then Bhajanam is a Kriya Padam here. Bhajanam means you do
is
prarthana.
Is Bhajanam Kriya Padam?
Bhajanam Karma Padam. Yeah, Bhajanam Karoti.
Mahodaya, Bhavan is the odd one they have given. Bhavanam, Bhavani, Bhavan, Bhajanam.
Yes, they said Bhavan is the odd one.
Bhavan is the odd one.
Correct. I didn't want to say that first, so that's why I didn't reveal it.
Is an example they have given. So.
Yeah, I didn't want to reveal that because I want to have this conversation and try to understand.
How it is. Bhavan.
I don't know. Yeah, that's where I got confused.
Bhavanam, Bhavani, then Bhavan.
And Bhajanam.
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 Okay, we will think over it.
I think bhajanam karoti.
Prashnaः सन्ति वा?
Mahoday, are we going to do exercise today? Means question papers?
किञ्चित् अभ्यासं कुर्मः वा?
Mahoday, why don't we do the question paper, Mahoday?
Which question paper do you want to do?
The second part of the question paper.
Second
Anyone?
part. Which year?
The two parts of it. Any year is okay, Mahoday.
Any year is okay. Yeah? Let me open that. Just a minute.
So we are expected to remember all the Subhashitas.
Subhashitas you must. Otherwise you can't
Mahoday.
answer questions on.
Mahoday, bahu dhanyavad, Mahoday. Your chanting is so nice. No, we are able to remember memories that, no, it was very wonderful, Mahoday. Thank you so much.
Dhanyavadah.
It's
I was
very
going
clear.
on hearing that. I was able to remember very well.
No, for
Bahavaha
my
dhanyavadah.
exams also I did like this, like that only.
Mahoday, when can we get the opportunity to listen to your singing?
Ha.
Your voice is so sweet.
We heard so many
So
things.
sweet.
Yes.
Saying
heard-
the Shubhashtam, it was so sweet hearing.
We used to hear Prarthana when Mahoday used to do it in the beginning of the classes.
No, this is with Raga, she is saying, no, Shubhashtam, that
Astu,
voice is
इदानीं
completely
एतत्
so sweet.
पश्यामः वा? प्रश्नपत्रिका 2019 अस्ति अत्र.
Mahoday.
एतत् कुर्मः वा?
19, I think we did
We
it.
have done.
We have done.
Yeah, we
We
did
have
the
done.
19. Oh no.
18th
No,
itself
we
we
did the
can
20th.
January.
18, 17?
17 is too old, Mahoday.
Mahoday, 21 is there, July and
21 July is there.
or
I
January.
think we did it in tutorials, ma. It's already done in tutorials.
एवं वा?
Oh, I could
Mahoday.
I missed all those.
The videos are there, Madhavi Mahoday. You can listen to that.
19
All the
July,
videos are
shall
there.
we do? 19 Jan or
19 July.
July?
Mahoday. January we will do, Mahoday.
Okay. अस्तु. दृश्यते वा?
Mahoday.
We'll do the second part, Mahoday.
Second part. What is the difference between itihasa and history?
Itihasa.
Itihasa is very, very, very long back. And it might be with the imaginations also. I don't know. I'm not sure about this. Just what is coming to my mind, I'm saying. History is what happened recently.
Yeah.
And
any other ideas?
History is a documented event happened. Itihasa is not.
Any other ideas? It is
Itihasa. I don't know.
See,
I heard it several times, can't remember.
See, iti ha asa. Being Sanskritam students, you should know what is itihasa. Actually, we talk about Puranas and then itihasas. In our tradition, we don't have the concept of history. History is for Westerners. For us, it is Purana and Itihasa. The difference between Purana and Itihasa is Purana, in Itihasa, the writer, like Ramayana, Mahabharata, these are all Itihasas. The writer himself is a part of that event. Whatever,
what does it mean? Oh,
whatever,
like Valmiki. Okay.
Valmiki wrote
Vyasa.
but he was also a part of Ramayana. Mahabharata, Vyasa, he comes so many times in, he appears whenever Satyavati wanted to talk to him, he would appear. Whenever he wanted to advise Pandavas, he would appear. Whenever he wanted to advise Bhishma, he would appear. At the same time, he was the one who wrote Mahabharata.
Yeah. So we can see that in Mahabharata and Vyasa, but how about Valmiki?
Valmiki also, when Lavakusha were born, he was
Born
the one,
in Valmiki ashramam only.
he was the one who mentored them, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
And also, Lavakusha grew up in Valmiki Ashrama.
Yes.
Right.
And
but I was only considering
Lava is the one who tied down the Ashwamedha horse, and he didn't release it.
Yes.
And say that it's
if
not
you
in
see,
Valmiki.
they acquired these Animadi Siddhis. There are 8 types of Siddhis. These rishis with constant meditation or tapas, whatever you call it, they acquired those Siddhis because of which they could sit at a place and have a look at what was happening world over.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Then if you come to Puranas, what are Puranas? Puranas are events which have happened long ago. These rishis also were not a part of it. Okay. History, if you take history, it is a Western concept. Still, our Kalhana's Rajatarangini, it has covered some 700 generations of kings of Kashmir. Kalhana's Rajatarangini. That is the only history we have actually. Maybe later on people might have written, but that was the first one. We can't say only one, but that was the first history in our Indian tradition.
Can you repeat about the
Can you
Kashmir?
repeat the name?
Repeat the name.
Kalhana. Kalhana was the historian. He wrote Rajatarangini.
Mahodaya, I have heard about this book, Mahodaya, in our school days. We are studying in the school days.
Ah, yes. See?
Rajatarangini.
I heard only the name and the author. I never got any introduction of these Puranas. Names are also very new for us.
That's the tragedy actually. We have many of us, we don't know what is there in our treasure house.
Yes.
So it is time we are
at a loss.
No, not at a loss. Now also we can.
That's why I started to learn Sanskrit. I wanted to read many of them myself. So
you can do it.
In Tanjore, Saraswati Mahal, they had lot of documents, but so many are lost. They are not kept properly, and they are lost also.
Yes, I have read somewhere that Orissa had some 60,000 or so talapatras in a museum. Now most of it is lost because of negligence, or we don't know, somebody stole, or it has not come out, but only some very 600 or so talapatras are remaining, it seems.
I heard recently in Vizag in Andhra Pradesh, the Andhra University, they somehow collected all these some hundreds of these Talapatra Granthas, and all these students studying Sanskrit, they've been restoring, they've been trying to rewrite at least to capture the text. It is in I watch every day the Samskrita Bharati news, the daily Samskrita news from Telangana Samskrita Bharati. It comes in YouTube, 5 minutes. Their news is like, they don't get into politics or anything. So it's one of their news items a couple of days ago. So in Andhra University, there's a huge research going on. They're trying to, restore all these Talapatra Granthas and trying to get the content out of it.
Actually,
So
once somebody had asked me to work with him. He was a Kashmiri Pandit. He, with a group of people, they collected so many books from many families in Kashmir. They all converted, no? So they didn't have much use for these things, these whatever our scriptures had. But their ancestors must have collected all those things. So many books were there. So these people would go to each and every house and collect those books. And they wanted to make a digital library sort of thing. So I worked for a brief period with him. Then it was very difficult to manage time. And
my father had a lot of books like that. He donated to a library in Hyderabad.
Oh,
In Islam. Yeah, I always wanted. I can check with my brother.
You please, please let me know. I would like to visit that library.
Yeah, there are a lot of books. Okay. I mean, he used to, read from my grandfather was a Sanskrit scholar.
Oh, okay.
So I saw actually in my grandparents' house, I saw those Talapatra Granthas, but they were all like, the insects actually ate them, and he couldn't.
They need maintenance. That oil should be applied.
Some oil
should be kept in.
I remember
under sun.
Correct. When I was a kid, I remember they used to put that oil, right? But during the course of time, they were a lot of them were gone.
One of these days, I'll share one article that Talapatra, Bhurjapatra about them. In Sanskritam only it is written. We wrote it for some exam long back. I can type and share it with you all. It is very interesting how it should be taken care of. All those things.
Yeah. Interesting.
We will do the question paper now.
Yeah.
Second part of the question paper.
Can I just go back? So the difference between Purana and Itihasa, in Itihasa, writer also is part of the story.
Yes.
And that is not the case in case of Purana.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so when they say, what is the difference between history and Itihasa? What is your answer for it?
History is not an Indian concept. That you can write.
Okay.
But still we have Kalhana's Rajatarangini, which is which can be considered as the first recorded document as history.
Okay.
He has covered some 700 generations of Kashmir kings.
Okay.
And in one of the lectures I heard, one professor, he was saying, Madri, she came from Iran, it seems, Iran or Iraq.
Oh.
Yes. So these people, Pandavas, they had relatives up to Iran.
That's what they say, right? Gandhara Rajam is Gandhara.
Gandhara.
Yeah.
Gandhar, no?
Right,
Gandhar.
right. Yep. That's why they say in Rama's time, Ramarajam is not just limited to the India that we now know, you know. It's all those Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, all those Middle East, you know, they are all Rama ruled all those. It's all that.
It was Aryavart then.
Yes.
Aryavarte Bharat Khatte.
अस्तु इदानीं द्वितीयः भागः answer the following right answers in Sanskritam. क्रमेण गच्छामः वा? गायत्री महोदय.
पेटिकाय समीपे मूषिक आगच्छत्. अगच्छत्. मूषिकः अगच्छत्.
Second one, Jambukah Kim Pashyati. Jambukah Lataya Draksha Phalam Pashyati.
Harsha Mahoday.
Kakah ghate kim kshipati. Kakah ghate shilakhandan kshipati.
Hina Mahoday.
मित्रद्वयं कुत्र अगच्छत्? मित्रद्वयं नगरीम् अगच्छत्. I don't know.
You don't know, huh? Kimartham? Forgot.
Even I haven't studied.
Videsham agachat va?
Yeah, it's Videsham.
No, you can, well, they, agachat means coming, they came back to the, agachat is a past tense, so they came back to their original town.
Agachat,
No.
it's not agachat.
They went.
If they came back, it would be punaha. Punaragachat. Punaragachati.
Pratyagachati.
Whatever.
Agachati. Pratyagachat.
Pratyagachat.
एकदा मित्र विदेशम् अगच्छत्.
विदेशम् अगच्छत्. अग्रे गंगातीरे कः आसीत्?
गंगातीरे कः आसीत्? I don't know I didn't study that part in the book, but I can come up with an answer. Gangatire ऋषिः आसीत्.
ऋषिः आसीत्.
एक
साधुः
वा? चाणक्यः कस्य मन्त्री? अग्रे निर्मल महोदयस्य आरोग्यं सम्यक् नास्ति. अग्रे
चन्द्रगुप्त मन्त्री चाणक्यः चन्द्रगुप्तस्य मन्त्री आसीत्.
नकुलः कम् अपश्यत्? प्रिया महोदय.
नकुलः सर्पः अपश्यत्.
सर्पं किल?
सर्पं. Okay, सर्पं is it?
नास्ति वा?
No, I remember reading it from the book as Sarpa. Maybe I'm wrong. Sarpam, is it? Okay.
Come, Sarpam.
Come. Yeah, I think that's a clue.
Come is the clue. Come is the clue.
Come, Pashyat.
Dvitiya Vyakti.
Sarpam, Pashyat.
Agre. Complete anyone Subhashitam.
Shall I do, Ma'am Mahodaya?
No. You will do when your turn comes.
My turn, that's why.
No.
No, it's over.
Sundari Mahodaya nasti adya.
Nasti Mahodaya.
Nasti va. Astu. Vadatu.
उपकारेषु यः साधुद्वैतस्य को गुणः apakarishu yah sadhuhu saha sadhuriti kirtitaha.
Upakarishu iti nasti, upakarishu ri.
Upakarishu.
Hrasvaikara.
Apakarishu. Apakarishu.
Sadhuriti. Tatrapi hrasvaikara.
Sadhuriti.
Sorry. Are they always going to ask us like this, like with giving the clues and the fill up the blanks? Okay.
No, not always, Mahodaya. Sometimes they ask you to write the meaning also.
Not always, Mahodaya. Yeah.
The meaning is okay, but we don't have to. I mean, we don't have to write just by remembering, the whole thing, right?
No, you must remember, no?
Yeah, but I think what I meant is if they give us the words and if they give us like this, fill up the blanks, most of the subhashitas we should be able to fill.
No, in one question paper, they gave only the first word and the last word. Rest we have to write on our own. So it might be
really?
anyway.
Anyway,
yes.
That's not good.
Agre, Haraprasad Mahodaya.
Yeah. The words are Kalakramena Padamadatte Saha Brahmacharibhya Swa Medhaya. Now, Acharyat Padamadatte Padam Shishya Swa Medhaya. Padam Sa Brahmacharibhya Padam Kalakramena Cha.
Acharyat Padamadatte. Sorry. I think he completed. I'll just.
Agre gachama va?
Complete the sukti. First one. Kriya siddhi satve bhavati mahatanopakarane.
Agre.
Is it me? Hina Mahodaya.
Udyoginam Purusha Siha Mupattai Lakshmi.
Purusha Simham Upaiti Lakshmihi.
Purusha Siha
Udyoginam Purusha Simham Upaiti Lakshmihi.
Okay. Upayati.
Agre.
What is Upayati, Mahodaya?
Yeti ityukte samipam agacchati. Upa ityukte samipam. Upanishat. Samipa agatya upavishati. Tasya upanishat iti. Upa ityukte samip. Yeti ityukte agacchati. Samipam agacchati. Purusha simham upaiti.
Purusha Siham Upayati. Okay. So with the Sandhi, it turns into Suma Siham Upayati.
Simham upaiti. Agre.
Jivane yavada dhanam syat.
Jivane yavat adanam syat.
Pradhanam tatodhikam.
Tataha adhikam.
Pradhanam tataha adhikam.
Adanam pradhanam.
Pradhanam. Jivane yavada adanam.
Yavat adanam.
Yavat adanam syat. Pradhanam tataha adhikam.
Kaha arthaha?
Whatever you donate should be more than what you earn.
पुनरेकवारं वदतु.
What you donate should be more than what you earn. Is it like that?
Adanam is like earnings.
Earnings.
Hmm.
So Jivane yavat adanam syat. Pradanam is what you give. Tataha adhikam. That should be more.
That should be more.
Avagatam?
Mahoday.
You will not forget. Agre. Priya Mahoday va?
Mahoday. Mudha parapratyaya neya buddhihi. An ignorant person follows the understanding of a learned man, or follows the instruction of a learned man. Is it like that?
You have to tell me. I have not read any of this.
Yeah. Mahoday doesn't know.
Mudha is a fool. Parapratyaya neya buddhi. He relies on the intelligence of someone.
He doesn't have his own thinking capacity.
Yeah.
He is always dependent on what the others say, and he will follow that.
Can you please explain that word, Mahoday? Parapratyaya neya.
नेय बुद्धिः परप्रत्यय नेय बुद्धिः इत्युक्ते तस्य स्वबुद्धिः नास्ति. सः सर्वदा अन्यजनाः किं वदन्ति तदेव अनुसरति. तेषां यत् उक्तिः भवति तदेव अनुसरति सः मूढः. स्वचिन्तनं न करोति. अग्रे ऋता महोदय वा?
महोदय. सोत्साहानां नास्त्य साध्यं means नराणां
नास्ति असाध्यं. सोत्साहानां तस्य विवरणं दातुं शक्यते वा महोदय?
Mother, with our own enthusiasm, we can do many things.
तत्र नास्ति असाध्यम् इत्युक्ते
Nothing is impossible.
नास्ति असाध्यं नराणाम्.
Nothing is asadhya.
For those who are enthusiastic.
Nothing is impossible for a person who is enthusiastic.
Yes.
Yes.
Person, people.
गायत्री महोदय वा?
महोदय. कः समयः? 6:30. सार्धषड्वादनम्.
महोदय एकः प्रश्नः. How do we know in some cases we say shet in a takara ending, in some places we use shed. Takara ending. No, here in this in 6:30 we say sadha shed vadana.
Dakaram only comes there. Shad vadanam eva.
How do we know that?
No. There is a sandhi karyam there that you will learn in the next level.
So since we have not learned sandhi, will it be wrong if I say shet as far as the exam is concerned?
No, we cannot say it is wrong, but as you know, you have to write shad. You write down. If you don't know, then make mistakes. Huh? If you know, write the proper answer.
We don't know why it is not like that, but we know how to write it.
Yeah.
So we cannot make mistakes.
Agre. Harsha Mahoday. Harsha Mahoday va?
No, Prasad Mahoday.
Haraprasad Mahoday.
Yeah. Bhavatah, Bhavatyah Nama Kim. Bhavatah Nama Kim. Mama Nama Haraprasadaha. Bhavatyah Nama Kim. Mama Bhaginyayah Namaha Sundari.
Tatra Namaha iti nasti.
Namaha.
Nama shabda. Napumsakalinga shabda. Namaha iti na lekhaniyam. Tadanantaram Bhaginyaha Nama.
Okay. Bhaginyaha Nama. Okay. So what you are saying is, oh, it is like Jnana Shabda. Hey, just Jnana, Jnane, Jnanani. So Nama, Name, Namani?
Nama, Namani, Namani.
Oh.
Agre gachamah va? Harsha Mahoday.
Ga plus ya plus ya. Ta plus ra plus tra.
Agre. Hina Mahoday.
माता पचति प्रश्न निर्माणं करोतु किं पचति माता किं करोति हे माता किं पचति माता किं पचति
करोति
किं करोति किल अत्र माता रोटिकां पचति. If there is karma pada like that, so then you can ask Mata kim pachati, kim kam, whatever. Mata
so what
kim
we have to write
will be right.
Kim
no?
pachati,
Not kim pachati, kim karoti.
Am is there, right? See the am.
So Mata pachati va.
Right.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't follow.
Mata pachati va. Mata pachati. No, not like that. No, we're not asking Mata.
Mata pachati va is correct. Is it correct, Mahodaya?
No.
Mata pachati kim? Mata kim karoti? Both the questions are.
But am.
But am is there in Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Okay,
so
then
it should be va question.
Mata pachati va.
Pachati va, pachati kim, like that.
Pachati kim.
Agre.
Puranadvayasya nama likhatu.
Kshamita Mahoday, I have to go, Mahoday. It's urgent. I will see the recording later. I will explain later.
Puranadvayasya nama likhatu. Madvayam bhadvayam. So I should be able to write anything, right?
Any Purana. They are not specified. No?
Oh, so any Puranas. Just two of them.
Yeah.
The Markandeya, Matsya Puranam, Markandeya Puranam, Vishnu Puranam. I mean, there are so many 18 Puranas.
18
Bhagavata Puranam, Bhavishya Puranam.
Who knows all the 18 names?
I know most of them. Madvayam, Matsya Puranam, Markandeya Puranam, Bhadvayam, Bhagavata Puranam, Bhavishya Puranam, Madvayam, Bhadvayam, Chaiva. There is a one, that three. Bratrayam, that is Brahma Puranam, Brahmanda Puranam. What is the third one? There is a third one.
What is the third one?
We can check in the book. I don't remember.
I'm trying to do that.
Anybody else would like to help?
something to do with the Brahmas.
Brahmanda Purana.
Brahmanda Purana.
Brahmanda Puranam, Brahma Puranam. I said there is a third one. That also
Bhavishya.
like
Bhavishya.
no.
Bhavishya Purana.
Bra.
Bhavishya Purana.
No. Bhavishyat Puranam will not come here. She is saying
Right. I think it's a Brahma
Oh, it is there.
Brahma Vai.
Vaivarta.
No.
Hmm.
Brahma Vaivarta.
Vaivarta Purana.
Vaivarta.
See,
Brahma Vai.
I thought you people all knew everything. There was no need for discussion. Huh?
It's coming slowly, Mahoday.
Because I never heard that Brahma Vaivarta Puranam. I never heard about it. I know the other ones, but not that one.
Okay.
So, yeah. And then Anapalinga Kusmani. So, A is, can't remember.
Agni Purana.
Agni
Agni
Puranam.
Puranam.
Yeah.
Linga Puranam.
Narada Puranam. Na is Narada Puranam. Pa is Padma Puranam.
Linga Puranam.
Linga Puranam. Oh, I don't know that. Ga is Garuda Puranam. I know that one. Who is Kurma Puranam. Sky is Skanda Puranam. I know that one. I think that's it. Anapalinga Kusmani. Anapalinga Kusmani. Right?
Another 4 are there, I think. Huh?
Yes.
Vachatishkaya. Yeah, Varaha yeah, that Vishnu Puranam, Vayu Puranam, Varaha Puranam, Vishnu Puranam, Vayu Puranam, Vamana Puranam. Yeah, Vamana Puranam.
Okay. So you need to pay attention to this Puranas, names of Puranas.
Yeah, actually remembering that slokam, I learned
helps,
it. Yeah, in school, I remember several decades ago, I learned that. So that really helps.
That has helped you.
Yeah.
Yep, that helped
Mnemonics
me.
always help. No,
So
mnemonics
everybody should by heart this and send me in WhatsApp or whatever medium. Huh? By heart this
Okay,
and send audio recording. Astu. Bhagavad Gita kena upadishtam?
Bhagavad Gita kena upadishtam? Bhagavad Gita kena upadishtam. Upadishtam.
Upadesham.
Mahabharat.
Oh, Vyasam.
Mahabharatena.
Yeah, Vyasa Mahamuni.
I think Kena means with what?
Saptami.
Kena.
No, Tritiya.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Oh, okay, Tritiya.
Who gave this, right?
Kena upadishtam.
Krishnena.
Krishna.
So much. Hey, what is this? I thought you people were all experts.
Krishnena.
In Telugu, there is a saying, right? Tinnaka mundu kakarkaya, tinna tarvata kikarakaya.
Oh.
Before you eat it, you say it right, kakarkaya, but after you eat, you say that it's or after you something like that. So now we are slowly getting confused.
Mahoday, I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Can you come again? Bhagavad Gita kena upadishtam.
Bhagavad Gita was who from whom was Bhagavad Gita? Bhagavad Gita's Upadesha happened. From whom?
From whom? That is Vyasa Mahamuni.
No.
Sri Krishna.
No. Bhagavad Gita
gave. No.
Sri Krishna to Arjuna.
Oh, what?
Har Prasad Mahodaya, Jay Kumar ji will be very upset if we say that.
You are attending Bhagavad Gita class and what
I
is
didn't
this?
understand the question. Say Bhagavad Gita kena upadishtam.
So you must pay attention to these things now. It is time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you must send all these answers to me. Audio record and send. Adi Kavihi Kaha.
Easy one.
Valmiki.
Adi Kavihi Valmiki.
Valmiki.
Kavyam Trividham.
Gadyam Padyam Champukavyam.
Gadyam Padyam.
Gadakavyam.
Gadyakavyam Padyakavyam.
Champukavyam.
Kati Rupakani Santi.
Dasa Rupakani. Dasha
Rupakani. Have they given the names?
No, only 5.
5 names they have given, huh? Can you name them?
Abhignan Sankuntalam, Swapnavasavam.
No, not like that. Kati Rupakani ityukte Dasha Rupakani santi kila. Tatra Natakam, like that there is a list.
They did not give everything.
That is not there in your book.
No.
Astu, don't worry then. Then Avatarati Avatirya Agachati
Agamya.
No, Rupakas Asti Mahodaya. Pancha Rupaka they have given. That's what Harsha Mahodaya was. It's page number 130. Abhijnana Shagundalam. That one only, right?
No, not that. Natakam Saprakaranam Bhanaha Prahasanam Dimaha Vyayoga Samavakarau Vithyankeha Mriga Dasha Vithi Anka Iha Mriga. These are the 10 Rupakas.
Mahodaya, in the book it says Rupakas means like Nataka.
It is what is called drama in English is Rupaka in Sanskritam.
Correct. So that's why they gave those Rupakas.
There are
example.
10 varieties of Rupakas. What are they? Natakam, Saprakaranam, Bhanaha, Prahasanam, Dimaha, Vyayogaha, Samavakaraha, then Vithi, Anka, Ihamriga, like that.
Okay, I don't think.
Vyayoga is Bhasa's Madhyama Vyayoga. That is a Vyayoga. Very small difference.
Page number 130, Mahodaya.
130.
Sorry,
130
130. No, Haraprasad Mahodaya was.
Yeah, 130. Got it. Thank you.
Natakam Saprakaranam Bhanaha Prahasanam Dimaha. Vyayoga
Vyayogaha Samavakaraha.
Okay. Vyayogaha Samavakaraha.
Vithi. Vithi is that street play, they say, no?
Right.
Vithi.
I'm trying to split the word. I'm not able to.
Anka Iha Mriga.
Okay. Vidhi Anka Iha Mruga. Vidhyai
Vithyankeha Mriga.
Keha Mruga Dasha.
Avagatam? You must know this. If they ask, you should not be left behind. You must be able to answer. Then, well-known Rupakas. Among these Rupakas, there are 10 varieties in Rupakas. famous rupakas in Sanskritam are this Abhignana Shakuntalam, Uttara Ramacharitam, Swapna Vasavadattam, then Veni Samharaha, Mritchakatikam. These are all rupakas only.
Yeah, I've seen questions on these. Like who wrote, which ones? Who are the authors?
Avagatam va? Agre gachamah va? Avatarati avatirya. Agachati?
Agatya.
Agatya, agamya api bhavitum shakyate va?
Uttarati avatirya.
Agatya.
Agatya agamya. Dvayamapi samyak iti aham chintayami. Anantaram drishtva vadantu. Agre. Choose the correct vibhakti form.
Whose turn is this?
Balakena saha.
Balakena saha mitram kridati.
Balakena saha mitram kridati. Haraprasad Mahodaya?
I cannot see in the top, Mahoday. Oh, okay. Now it's good. Pustakam ball. Balakam pustakam svikuru.
From the boy.
From the boy.
From the boy is balakaya.
Na.
Balakat.
Balakat.
Yeah, balakat. Okay.
Balakat pustakam svikuru. Agre.
Balakasya mata esha.
Agre.
Gruhat bahi tishtati. 1 minute. Balakam gruhat bahi tishtati.
Balakasya.
Sorry. Balakasya gruhat bahi tishtati.
Mahodaya.
Balakasya.
Balakam grahat bahi.
Balakam, no, yeah,
Balakam.
Balakam will come. Yeah, I told this right one. Bahi.
Bahihi. Balakam grahat bahi tishtati. No.
Mahodaya.
Bahihi. Grihat bahihi. Kila.
Balakam grahat bahihi tishtati na Mahodaya.
No. Balakaha.
Balakaha. Sorry.
Balakaha.
Agre.
Balake sadgunaha santi.
Samyak. Agre.
Annam dadadu. Balakaya annam dadadu.
Agre.
Acharya. Balakam acharyaha ahvayati.
Balakam acharyaha ahvayati. Read the passage and answer following questions.
Mahodaya, ek prashna Mahodaya. It is ahvayati or avhayati.
Ahvayati.
No, I was listening to some lecture. They said avhayati.
That is difficult.
Okay.
Which is the easier option to pronounce?
Ahvayati only.
So that only should be taken.
Okay, Mahodaya.
And so many people, they don't know, they can't pronounce properly. So that time, that kind of mistakes happen. like jnanam, jna. Many people say gya. It is wrong, no?
Yeah,
Jnanam. Jna only should come. With practice, it becomes easier. Astu.
Okay.
Read
Read the passage and answer the following questions. Mahabharatam Panchamo Vedaha iti prasiddham. Mahabharatam Vyasena Virichitam Ganeshena Likitam cha. Etasmin granthe Eka Lakshadikaha Slokaha Santi. Tanmadhye, how do you say for 800 in Sanskrit? Ashtashatakam?
Ashtashata.
Ashtashata. Ashtashata shlokaha vyasa rahasya shlokaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mahabharate Antargataha Bhagah. Asmin granthe Kaurava Pandava Mahayuddham Pradhanataya Varnitam Asti. Upakataha Bahvayaha Santi. First, Mahabharatam Kena Likitam. By whom? Mahabharata Vyasena Likitam.
Anya kopi vadati va?
Ganeshena likitam.
Ganeshena Likitam.
Vyasena virachitam.
Vyasena
in that Samskrita Bharati song, Surasa Subodha, there it comes, no? Vyasa virachita Ganesha Likhita Mahabharata Punya Katha, something like that it comes.
You sing beautifully, Mahodaya.
Yeah, I know.
Once more, Mahodaya.
Great. You finish your exams, then we all will sing one day.
Yeah, we should meet after the exam.
Yes, definitely. Mahabharatam Ganesh.
Mahabharatasya Anyat Namakim Mahabharat Anyat Nama Panchamo Vedaha.
Evam va?
I think so.
No. Jaya iti atra na dattam Panchamaha Vedaha iti vaktum shakyate. Actually, it was named as Jaya only. Later on,
Come again, please.
But
No,
they have
but,
not given here.
Jaya
Yeah, I think here they're only referring to the Panchama Veda.
Panchama Veda. Okay, we can take it.
Yeah, Jaya is the Bhagavad. Srimad Bhagavad Anyatra Nam is
No.
Jaya.
Mahabharata only. Mahabharata only. It was named as Jaya initially.
Jaya.
Oh.
So how do
What
we
is the relation between Gaya and Mahabharata?
Not Gaya, Jaya, victory.
Oh, Jaya.
So the complete sentence will be Mahabharatasya Anyat Namaha.
Namaha nasti. Nama.
Mahabharatasya Anyata Nama Panchamo Vedaha.
अथवा महाभारतं पंचमो वेदः इति प्रसिद्धं तथापि लेखितुं शक्यते.
Okay. Shall I continue or next one?
Somebody else will.
Next. Yeah.
Okay. Kati vyasah rahasya slokaha santi. अष्टशत व्यासरहस्य श्लोकाः सन्ति। महाभारते अंतर्गतः भागः श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता। महाभारते उपकथा न सन्ति। न महाभारते बहवयः उपकथाः सन्ति।
Actually, it is not bahvayah, it should be bahvyah.
Bahvayah.
Bahvyah.
Yeah.
Bahvyah.
Agre. Hina Mahoday?
Praja, explain the reference to the answer, to the context. Prajapidaka asamanjah bhavata rajatah nishkashit bhavatu. Means asamanja was
Son of?
1 minute. He was not good with the praja. Means he was harassing the praja. That's why he was sent away from the Rajya. Means send him away from the Rajya.
Whose son was he? That you have to write, no?
Right. Sagara Raja.
Sagarasya putra.
Sagarasya putra. Asamanja. Prajapidakah asit.
Prajapidakah asit.
Asit. Ataha. Sachivaha. Sachivaha. Kim karati Sachivaha. Upadesham.
You tell in English.
That's why Sachiva suggested Sagara Raja to send him away from the Rajya.
Etan kambalan daridrebhyah dadatu. Priya Mahoday, vadatu.
Nripaha, what is the name? Nripaha Chanakyasya iti vadadi etan kambalan daridrebhyah dadatu.
You must tell which story or which part it is taken, like that.
Okay. Oh, like that. You have to give the. How many sentences should we write, like Mahoday?
It is for how many marks? 3 marks are there, no?
At least 3 sentences.
3 to 4 sentences you must write.
Then we better write in English, maybe.
If you practice from now onwards, if you practice writing in Sanskritam, you may be able to write in Sanskritam.
Right, but I don't know the exam if we want to take the risk.
If you don't want to take risk, write in English.
Yeah, I think we know, but yeah, in the exam.
Draksha phalani amlani.
I'll tell, ma'am.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Draksha palani amra palani. Idam vakyam moodaha jampukaha katayaha swikrutam. Then kaha vadati moodaha jampukaha Draksha palani pashyatam pashyatum. Okay, drishtva. इदं वाक्यं वदति द्राक्ष जम्बुकः पुनः पुनः उत्पतित्वा न प्राप्नो द्राक्षाफलानि न प्राप्नोति
उत्पतित्वा इति सम्यक् वा?
Can you help me in that?
Your friends will help you. I'm not prepared for the exam, so your friends.
No. Jambukah punah punah utpatitum api द्राक्षफलानि न प्राप्नोति.
तत्र उत्पतित्वा तत्र किम् आगच्छति?
उत्पतित्या अपि
उत्पतित्या नास्ति.
It's not utpatitya then. Even when it jumped, it could not get.
Yeah, punah punah utpatti.
Punah punah utpatti.
Utpatati.
Utpatatapi.
Utpatati.
Utpatatapi. Drakshapalan na prapnoti.
You must find out this answer and tell me. Agre. Utpatitva tat किमर्थं सम्यक् नास्ति इत्युक्ते उत् इति उपसर्गः अस्ति. When you use upasarga, then your it should be lyapanta.
Yeah, should come.
Yeah, that's what I.
What is the right answer? You must find out and tell me.
Okay.
Jalam
That's what I said, but maybe that.
Samayah abhavat. With this question, we will wind up. Jalam katham pibami?
Yeah, jalam katham pibami. Kathayaha namaha. Nama, I'm sorry. I always
sorry, you will lose marks if you write namaha.
Yeah. Kathayaha nama chatura kakaha. Chaturaha kakaha. Ekaha kakaha asti. Kakaha bahu trushitaha. Kakam bahuduram gacchati.
Kakaha bahuduram gacchati.
Atra kakaha घटे पश्यति. घटे
घटः
पश्यति. घटं
घटे किंचित जलं पश्यति.
Oh, thank you, Mohoday. Ghatam घटे किंचित जलम पश्यति. काकः चिन्तयति अल्पः जलः अस्ति. किं पिबत्?
जलः नास्ति, जलम् अस्ति.
काकः शिलाखण्डम् आनयति.
तत्सर्वं न अत्र. There is no need. Jalam katham pibami, that is the sentence, no? There. What is the sentence?
I was thinking how to drink. Yeah, how do I drink?
Mahodaya, when it is Eka nimisham Mahodaya, when it is telling to itself, we can say asmakam vadati kakaha.
Kakaha chintayati. That's all. Asmakam why? Asmakam is not required. Kakaha evam chintayati. That's all.
Okay.
Avagatam? Samapayamaha. Samayah atitaha. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ।
धन्यवादः महोदय।